my channel. Hi guys, I've had a few drinks. I decided, why not do a Pennywise tutorial while drunk? Because that's my channel. Subscribe if you guys want more. These are my Halloween videos. PiinkSparkles for the win. Anyway, okay, we are gonna, cause Pennywise is, trendy thing right now, right? Like people are gonna be Pennywise. People are gonna be like slutty Pennywise and normal Pennywise, scary Pennywise. Children are gonna be Pennywise. There's gonna be Pennywise everywhere at Halloween. So I'm gonna do a drunk Pennywise Halloween tutorial. So we're gonna Google Pennywise. Ooh, he can get it. There he is with his cute little buck teeth. Let's just go. And I got some things at the Spirit Halloween store to do a real makeup tutorial. But I think a drunk one will be better, and I can't even open these already. Pennywise has like frills here. I don't have frills, so just imagine them. Okay, I have these like sponges. I'm drinking Spice Rum. I didn't show the brand because they're not paying me. Woo! If you guys prefer drunk makeup tutorials rather than real ones, thumbs up this video. Oh my god, okay. He has a white base, so we're not priming our face. I snorted. I can't even deal. Well. Am I supposed to be applying this with a sponge? Okay, we're putting on white, or wait, what? Red lipstick. Pennywise wears lipstick, like we love him. He's breaking all the gender roles. Okay, so he doesn't have eyebrows, so we can just go ahead and cover ours. What is this? So who has seen it? Did you guys enjoy it? Should we do another layer? Look at me! I feel like Mrs. Doubtfire when she put her face in that cake. We love that. Hold on, I gotta pee. Hey, oh, my eyebrows are still showing. There we go, there we go. I don't like this, I don't want eyebrows at all. Watch me just shave them off. I'm taking this seriously. There we go. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna take this Jeffree Star brush. He's got like, I don't even know. We're just gonna take this and like take off. Okay, that was so good. Don't at me. I'm a mime. So now he's got some black eyeshadow, like from the Jacqueline Hill palette. He used this one right here, which is Abyss. Oh, it's like the black abyss. Okay, we get it. So we're just gonna go underneath here. We kind of look like Pennywise. Like, I actually got scared just now looking the viewfinder. Does he go all over the lid? He does. Pennywise just like takes so long to do his makeup. We love him. I have makeup all over my thumb. Wait, why is it called a thumb? Okay, that like bye for all of you that say thumb. What about the B? The B has feelings too. The B should be pronounced. So we're gonna say thumb for now on. I look terrified. That's good. We're gonna smoke it out a little bit more down here. It is time for the remainder of this because we're a flop. He's got red everywhere. So I bought this red. Oh my god, I'm really drunk. I'm so sorry. I'm like drunk. We need to like warm it up. I look so disgusted. Concentrate. Oh, anyone that's trying to hang. And then we gotta go from the eyelids straight up. So we gotta do a straight line. Straight. Perfect. It doesn't matter what you look like. It matters how you live your life. Rudolph who? Red lipstick. Ew, I look like I have a red mustache. Legit, where did my phone go? I'm gonna put my hair up because we're gonna put a wig on. Oh, I also bought these teeth. Okay, these are from, what's that? Hocus Pocus, but I feel like they would be good Pennywise ones. They're like the same teeth. Pretty much Pennywise's buck teeth. Wait, what? Place the teeth in boiling water? Wait, hot water for 1 minute. We got the teeth going. Ah! Ow! Sensitive teeth. Oh, I don't stand. Okay. Spooky. Okay, this doesn't stand. Oh, that looks so good. bye, Georgie. Well, this is my tutorial. Sometimes I look like Pennywise. He wears an orange one and doesn't look like this. He's not your typical clown. He's a cool clown. I honestly need to drink water and go to bed. I'm so sorry about this video. I will talk to you guys on my next one. I love you. Bye.